Today we are going to start new topic, that is voice. Active voice and passive voice. Any type of sentence which we speak in active way. For example, he writes a letter. This is in active voice. In passive voice, we have to change it into passive voice. The object of the given sentence, a letter. First of all, we have to identify the object in given sentence. Object generally comes after verb. First of all, in assertive sentence or in simple type of sentence, subject and after then verb and after then object. This is active voice. We change it into passive voice. So first of all, we identify an object. First did this and make it into subject. Put as a subject, and after then second verb, change. This verb is in a present form and we change it into this type of a pattern. This is a formula you should keep in mind while you are changing from active to passive. B and third form of the main verb. Later, what is the B? What are the forms of B? Present and first form of B is am, are. Past and second form of B was, were. Past participle and third form of B, been. Present participle and ing form is being. These are forms of be, and here this is present tense. It means we should put here a present form of be. If there is second form, we should put here second or the past form of be. So all these things comes according to the given sentence. In given sentence, which type of a verb or which type of tense is used, and we use the be and the third form of main verb. And here this is in present form. It means we use present form. Present form is am, are, and this is singular subject, and singular subject takes is. And here the completion of this be work, here is, and after that third form of the main verb. This is first form and third form is return. This is second rule, and third rule is we make a subject into as an object. Subject to object using the word by. By. And the objective form, because we are using as an object, it means this is subjective form and objective form is this. full stop. This is the basic thing when we are changing passive sentences into active sentences into passive form. These are the normal formulas or rules. One more sentence. For example, you have written a novel. First work is to identify an object, and object is this. You know very well there are two types of object: direct object and a indirect object. And this is an object, we make it as a subject. A novel have written, this is helping verb, and has, here is in plural form and this is singular form, has. And now put be formula. This is be formula. Always keep in mind while you are working with a voice. Has, always take third form. And what is the third form of be? Been. And this is also third form, written. And after that, by you. Next, he gave me a book. Change it into passive. First work is to identify an object. In this sentence there are two objects are there. First one is this and second one is this. This is an indirect object and this is direct object. We can make passive from both objects. First we make it indirect object, me. Change it into I because it is objective form, or we are making it a subject. It means we use it as a subjective or as a subject, and subject is this I. And next, verb, and the verb in which form? This is in a second form. It means this is the past tense or the past tense. So we see here past form of be, was and a were. I takes was. And after that, third form of main verb. Here is second form. We need a third form, and third form is given. A book by him. We can change from direct object, a book first we put direct object as subject, a book. Next, this is second form. It means was given to me. Keep in mind the important thing, that is, if any indirect object is not used as a subject, it means that is remained here, and we put adding to the word to me. After that we make a subject using by an object, by him, like this. So these are the simple structures or the simple changing from active into passive. We can change it. Or now we take these things into very detailed form. He is writing a letter in his room. He is writing a letter in his room. Our first work is to identify an object, and object is here a letter. Next, verb changes. Is writing ing form of be, being, and after that third form of main verb, this is write, and third form written. By him in his room. Yes, these are simple type of sentences that we can change from active voice into passive voice. And next we change a interrogative sentence. Why do you write a letter to your friend? Change it. Why is a letter written by you to your friend? Next, who broke this table? Change it. By whom? The second form, by whom was this table broken? Here the condition is if WH word who comes in given sentence, then we change it into by whom. By whom. Next, imperative sentence. You know very well there are 4 types of imperative sentence. The sentence which starts from first form of a main verb. Second type, the sentence which start do or do not. And third one is sentence which starts the words please and kindly. And next sentence which start let. And we see here open the door. And the formula, see the pattern of this type. Let, after that object, and next be, and third form of main verb, and by subject. This is the formula while we take change any imperative sentences. Here this sentence, let the door be open. Next, don't play football in the sun. We change. Let football not be played in the sun. So these are changes we can easily do in imperative sentences. Next, let's write a poem for our teacher. Let's, here change. Let, after object, this is object. Let a poem be written by us for our teacher. These are imperative sentences we can change from direct to from active to passive. Okay, thank you.